everyone, especially to you, ma'am. My assigned topic is the deposition of witness or a pre-trial testimony. So, what is a deposition of witness? So, when we talk about deposition of witness, it is a formal, out-of-court testimony given by witness under oath, usually during the discovery phase of a civil lawsuit in investigation. So, it is outside of the court. So, wala siya sa pre-trial, wala siya sa trial court, kundi outside of the court. So, ang deposition of witness na siya purpose. Ang first purpose of the deposition of witness is to gather information. So, when we talk about gathering information, attorneys are used to use deposition to learn about the witness knowledge. So, dapat yung mag-gather siya information, mga na siya about sa mga nangahitabo para maka-gather siya information to support the case. So, ang next is ang preserved testimony. So, when we talk about preserved testimony, deposition create a record of a witness's statement. So, from the word itself, create a record of the witness's statement. So, dito na niya ibutang ang tanan ng mga gipang pangutana or gipang tubag sa isa ka witness. So, naa siya nakabutang sa preserved testimony. So, ang next nga purpose sa deposition is access witness credibility. So, ang access witness credibility by observing the witness denominator and responses. So, kung unsaon sa witness pag-respond sa pagpangutana sa attorney. So, ang next is prepare for trial. So, deposition helps attorneys understand the opposing side case, identifying potential witnesses, and develop strategies for trial. So, diri na din ang prepare for trial. So, pag mag-prepare for trial na, ang isa ka attorney yung investigate, di ba, ang right? Ang katong witness. So, pag human og investigate, dito na din yung masulod ang prepare for trial.